Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video guys. This is Sampath. You're watching SAMPATH YouTube channel, and this is the Oppo Reno 6 Pro, and I have received this ColorOs12 with Android 12 based update for this Oppo Reno 6 Pro, and this is a quick settings panel you get, as you can see here. And this update has been received like January 1st week or like that. I don't remember that much. December last week or January 1st week I have received. You can see the change log here. Plenty of new things have been added. I will be explaining out everything, so stay tuned till the end of the video. And here it goes. The Android version is 12 here, as you can see. This is the Android 12 logo. And if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like guys. And this is the latest security patch you get with January 5th. And the version you can see here 4.14.86 plus kernel has been used. 180G kernel has been used here, and I have the only one version. This is a 42,000 MRP as of now also, but pushing the update is very good from Oppo team. I really appreciate that they are at least putting efforts to give the updates before itself. I have many smartphones there, I haven't got any update as of now. And these are the system settings you can see here. Assistive ball is there. Gesture operations tab you can select like this, as you can see. Let me go again into system settings. As you can see, assistive ball, you can customize it, and the design is also a little bit changed here. As you can see, the accessibility menu is also given here, which will be working fine with Android 12 based. Let me enable. Okay, here is the shortcut for that. The arrangements are also like square type. If you change the theme, it will also changes. Really good. The Android 12 implementation is really good in this Oppo Reno 6 Pro. And into the keyboard and input method, okay, system navigation, here you get buttons, and also the gestures support has been there here. It is not a problem. As you can see, you can hide gesture bar, you can mistouch, those things are also given. And let me show you. Disable this accessibility menu first, and I will again come back to that. Digital well-being and parental controls are also given in this given in this update. Into the location, this is simple location settings. If you enable it, you will see all the options, which is really good in my opinion. Into the apps, as you can see, app management and default apps you can choose from here. If you want to change the dialer like Truecaller like that, you can change from here. And display over other apps also given. App cloner, you need to use the dual apps, then you can use here. Auto launch also you can change from here, and special app access also you can check out from here. They were there, but little bit enhanced with ColorOs12 with Android 12. And coming to battery, here also this I liked very much. Before in ColorOs or Realme UI, there was no chart like this. As you can see, the graph. Now I am happy that they are giving that graph. Power saving mode is also there. High performance mode, optimize battery use, sleep standby optimization, optimize night charging, show battery percentage on status bar. Those things you can enable and disable. And this is the graph what I was speaking. This is how the battery settings you get here. You can check out the battery life also. It's really good. After some days I am checking this, I am making this review. The battery life has been improved. And into the privacy settings, you get these kind of camera access, microphone access, which are Android 12 features. They are still present, in the custom ROMs, like this OS, ColorOs also present. And this is how it's smooth enough. The update is smooth enough. You can check out here. I hope I explained this one. Okay, notification status bar, here you can check out here some of the options like battery percentage, and real-time network speed is also given in this ROM, and network notification icons also you can change from here. Into the sound and vibration, the icons are arranged like this now, little bit spacing between 4 to 5 items. You can check out here. That has been improved. And even the vibration on touch, you can increase or decrease the intensity of the haptic feedback also. You can disable the vibration touch also. In the advanced settings, volume button, and this one in-ear monitoring is also there. Into the Dolby Atmos settings, you get plenty of options: environment profile or scenario specific profile. those are kept as it is but changed like icon style. And this is the light mode and dark mode. The AMOLED display, what it is, the curved one, I never faced any problem with this display. And you can check out the refresh rate also. Auto brightness is also working fine in this update. I mean this how the ColorOs12 Android 12 based quick settings has been implemented, and this all the icons and settings panel you get. It's colorful, name itself suggests it's a ColorOS, and it is colorful enough. And I will come back to light mode, and these are the options you can get here. As you can see, video color enhancer has been also kept as it is, and the refresh rate is just 90 Hz, but it is working fine. I have never faced any problems. Coming into now home screen and lock screen, here you get regular mode and drawer mode, I mean standard mode and drawer mode, and home screen layout also you can change here with the grid sizes available. And double tap to lock is also there, and swipe down on home screen you get global search, app animation speed, show app suggestions, app to home screen, adding. Those are very general, those things are still available. As you can see, double tap to sleep is there, and the fingerprint scanner is also working fine. I will be explaining it out in furthermore. And this is the quick settings panel, you can check out here. As you can see, you need to add anything, you can add from here. And the media output, these were usually in Oxygen OS like this media output option, that has been now implemented to ColorOS also. And eye comfort, these toggles you can enable. Everything is working fine in this update. And coming to like personalization, here you get lots of customization for the home screen. As you can see, you can change the colors from here, icon colors, not just icon, I mean UI icons also you can change from here. They are cool actually. Before also there were little bit customization, now it is enhanced based upon ColorOs12. Those are looking really attractive to eyes. Show app names are given, as you can see, and here is the quick settings also. You can adjust, some of the sizes are given for icons, and font and display also some are given preset. And edge lighting, if you want to enable it out, you can enable. It leads to a little bit battery drainage obviously. And home screen and lock screen, you can see here the icons how it has been arranged. And into the themes, there are plenty are free and some of them are paid, and you can use the themes also. And quick settings, icons, colors, as I said, I kept trendy, it became just green color. Based upon time also it will change, or the wallpaper like that it is. As you can see, now it's become dark blue, the icons color. This is how the personalization you will get. As you can see, again if I go into colors and I will change one more, like okay, this is the font and display size. Here you can keep the fonts, 3 are pre-installed. And this is the fingerprint scanner animation and edge lighting. As I said before also, there are 3 colors. Font you can enable it out. Connection sharing, all are given. NFC, private DNS, Android Auto, VPN, print option, all are working fine. And if you drag and press here, you will get icons, layout, transitions, more. If I go into more, you will revert to that home screen settings. And this wallpapers, plenty are given. And let me show you, the volume panel is now left side, and you can see here media ring notification, you get like this. And this the power button, emergency, restart and power off. And into the Play Store, let me install the Geekbench 5 score. I haven't run yet, let me see. I will also compare with one of my smartphone is available, Mi 11X. I will compare the scores. Once this installed, I will show you. As you can see, the smoothness in the UI has been improved a lot, and these shortcuts are also given. Speeds you get with GeoGigafiber. I have 100 Mbps plan here, it's pulling up to 90 to 95, which is good thing. I'll also show you with mobile data. Here sometimes I will get 4G plus also. Carrier aggregation is also working fine with Dimensity 1200. There are issues with some of the Dimensity chipset, but 1200 is a really good chipset. As you can see, I am getting up to 15 Mbps, which is not a problem. Even if I move to different location, I will get better speeds. The current location where I am living is not up to the mark of Jio. I only use Jio SIM, no Airtel. You can see the smoothness in the home screen, as you can see in the app drawer. It's really smooth, and these are the recent apps you can check out here. Downside the icon symbol has been given, I mean the icons, and Geekbench 5 has been installed. Let's see the scores here. As you can see, this is the scores I got with Oppo Reno 6 Pro in Geekbench 5. Single score is 828 and multi score is 2676 with Android 12 based ColorOs12. This is the scores, and the kernel used here is Linux 4.14.186 plus Arch64 kernel has been used. And here comes the Mi 11X with Snapdragon 870. It's still with Android 11 but Mi 12.5 enhanced edition. Here you can see the score comparison. Single score is almost near, the multi score is slightly better in Mi 11X. Obviously 870 is a little bit better in terms of CPU and also some of the scores what I've seen previously also. But overall, Oppo Reno 6 Pro has been improved with Android 12 based ColorOs12. That's the one thing I want to show you. Here I am not comparing, both are very different chipset, but just showcasing you the how these benchmark results are obtained in Oppo Reno 6 Pro in comparison with Mi 11X. And this is how the settings you get. As you can see, both are colorful only. Just here small in size in Mi 11X on the right side, on the left side Oppo Reno 6 Pro the icons are a little bit bigger in size. And here is the home screen, and this is a Mi 13 wallpaper I have been installed in this Mi 11X. Let's see the speed test in both of this, and let me open the Chrome. Here Mi 11X opened a second bit faster, but anyhow this how. And camera application Oppo Reno 6 Pro opened first, a second difference, that's all. And you can see here it's fast enough, no lag in pressing the shutter button. And coming to options, there are plenty of options in both the devices. Both are very different UI and both are very different smartphones. Just I am showcasing you in comparison how it is. And this how the you can see here recent apps, you can see difference in both of them. One is in horizontal style, one is on vertical style. And this is Mi 11X. I am using it from last 2 to 3 months I guess. Even Oppo Reno 6 Pro also. But overall Mi 11X is good, but in terms of UI little bit faster in this Oppo Reno 6 Pro. I hope in Mi 13 or Android 12 based Mi 11X going to improve, then also I will compare. And this how the fingerprint scanner I have shown now. And into the camera applications, there are no new features has been added here, all are old only, and there is no improvements. And let me take a snap of this tree. Let's see, not tree, it's plant, artificial plant actually. Okay, this is how the night shot mode. It took around like 2 to 3 seconds or milliseconds, I don't know. As you can see, yeah, 3 milliseconds or like that it took to take a night shot in comparison with Mi 11X. Let's see, I will bring Mi 11X also, and before that let's see the clarity. The clarity you can judge here. As you can see, nothing change in the clarity. The cameras are very good in Reno 6 Pro 5G. Just I noticed heating while playing 4K videos, that too for a long time. It will get slightly warm, not heating, I can say warm. That's the only complaint I had. Even with ColorOs12 and Android 12, that's the same. It's obvious guys, in 4K for long time if you take video it will get warm. And this is a Mi 11X. Let me take a shot with photo. Let me see here also night mode. Into the night mode, I will go into night mode here. Okay, here comes the night mode. Let me take a snap here, how long it will take. The light is falling on it. Okay, it also took 3 to 4 seconds, same. in comparison with Oppo Reno 6 Pro. Both are same in taking the night mode. It takes a little bit of time to capture a shot in night mode. I haven't found any Gcam for Reno 6 Pro, so I am not comparing both with Gcam, and you can see the clarity, both are same. Slightly Oppo Reno 6 Pro has more details. It's a 64 megapixel Samsung sensor versus the Sony sensor 48 megapixel. Sony sensor has little bit more green here, colors are bit boosted here. And thank you for watching this video, guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video, and if you still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon, and we'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.